Hey Thomas.
What?
What's the Revolution Road about?
Suburban life.
Oh, okay.
It's really dark. Kind of a little bit married relationship.
How doomed they are?
The loss of your dreams through having from losing your dreams because you've settled down like a kid.
Right.
So it's basically American Beauty Part 2. Oh yeah. It's almost like the beginning. You know, it's like the prequel to that.
So, not the kind of movie you go to see to celebrate your wedding anniversary.